In this video, we will explain the difference between the emergency and non-emergency versions of the SP-401S. Both lamps operate within the same wireless network but serve different purposes during activation. The example shows a setup consisting of 5 SP-401S lighting units, with each unit assigned to a specific radio group. The diagram illustrates Group A, Group B, which represent independent lighting radio groups operating within the same radio network. Each group can be configured separately using the UR-101 Handheld Controller, UR-201, or ALCMS. Changing a group's operating mode, intensity level, or on/off state does not affect other groups. Each radio group operates independently within the system. The only exception is emergency mode, which propagates across the entire radio network. When the emergency switch is activated on any lighting unit, the emergency mode affects all groups simultaneously. Emergency lighting units are identified by a dedicated emergency sticker placed on the housing. This sticker allows the user to clearly distinguish emergency lamps from non-emergency units during operation and demonstration. The emergency switch is installed on the bottom of the lighting unit. The SP-401S emergency lamp can be activated manually using the emergency switch. 2 quick presses of the emergency switch turn on all lamps in the network. This mode ensures full system activation when remote control is unavailable. The lamp stays on until it is switched off manually or until the battery is discharged. The SP-401S non-emergency lamp operates independently or by remote control. 2 quick presses of the emergency switch activate only that lamp. This allows local testing of a single unit's operation without affecting others. If the lamp is configured as emergency, the shutdown procedure is as follows. When the emergency switch is pressed quickly 4 times, the lamp sends a radio shutdown command. This command is received by all lamps operating within the same radio network. As a result, all lighting units operating within the same radio network turns off simultaneously. Turning off emergency mode from a non-emergency lamp also disables emergency mode across the entire radio network. This ensures a reliable and synchronized power-off function across the entire lighting network. Other SP-401S lamps are configured as non-emergency lamps. In this configuration, the emergency switch works locally only. Pressing the emergency switch on a non-emergency lamp activates emergency mode only on that specific lamp, without affecting any other lamps in the same radio network. Deactivation turns off all lamps in the network. This setup is typically used when individual, isolated control is required. The number and designation of emergency lamps are defined by the customer. Each configuration is programmed and tested at S4GA before shipment. This ensures that every lighting system meets specific operational requirements right from installation. For additional information on emergency and non-emergency light, refer to SP-401S User's Manual.